Guys, we got lightning here. You see that? We got flashes. You see that? Oh my god, actually, like, look at this. Look how frequent that is. Look at that. What the hell? That's so impressive. Look at this. We genuinely have a thunderstorm to our north. Look at that. I'm just gonna put it up here maybe. This is producing crazy frequent lightning. What the hell? Look at this, dude. Absolutely constant lightning going on. Look at this. Wow, this is beautiful. This really is beautiful. I mean, come on, this is like 25 miles to our north? We're seeing this crazy lightning going on. You're kidding. Genuinely. Wow. These storms are crazy electrical up north. Holy crap. Nice. Genuinely so much lightning going on right now. What the heck? Let me try to zoom in a little bit actually. Let's see if we can get any better lightning shots. You can literally see like the constant electrification. Wow, that is impressive. Look at this, dude. That is impressive. That's actually really impressive. Constant flashing. Wow. Oh, I saw a lightning bolt. Oh, I saw that. I freaking saw that. That's a gigantic thunderstorm over there. Holy smokes. How many flashes have there been over the past like 7 minutes? Like, I swear it has been like 50 right now. I'm almost up to 50, I think. Wow. Man, this is incredible. This is incredible. Not very often you see storms that from far. Wow, look at that. Like, genuinely. This is impressive. Okay, let me pause my recording for a little bit. I want to look at how much lightning this might have. Or maybe not. Okay. Maybe I just won't. Because I'm afraid I might miss a cloud to ground. There's a real chance I could catch a cloud to ground right now. It's quite insane in my opinion. This is insane. Oh wow, you can actually see better like that. That's sick. These things are electric tonight. Wow. Holy freaking crap. I'll take this gladly. I will really take this. Huge thunderstorm erupted to the north of us. Huge lightning storm. We'll see if those cells invigorate to the west of us. But wow. What a lightning show right now. Genuinely. It's very rare where you get constant nights of lightning just flashing the sky. And this is, keep in mind, this is like 20 miles up to my north. And we're seeing such vivid lightning. You're kidding. Okay. It looks like it's really strengthening now. Alright. Dude, we have a severe thunderstorm warning to our north. Oh my god, look at the lightning. Look at this. This is just producing so much lightning right now. This is insane. Wow. Oh yeah, it's starting to pick up. It's really starting to pick up. Oh, it's really starting to pick up now. Literally just an exploding cell just north of me. It's like so vivid. Holy smokes. What a lightning show it must be there near Basking Ridge. Oh my goodness. That's incredible. That is genuine incredible lightning display right now. Wow. Ooh, that was a big one. It's really starting to pick up steam now. Oh wait, that might have been a CG. You saw that? That might have been a CG. I want to check my footage later, but that might have been a CG right there. Oh man. That's incredible. Constant lightning right now. It's not stopping. This is the result of heat and humidity the whole entire day. Wow. Just constant. Literally just constant lightning going on now. Holy smokes. Hey Zach, if you're up there in what's called Spring Valley or wherever you are, Austining, New York, you might want to see this. Oh my god, look at that. I might have a few crawlers that I can display. I think I see the crawlers even. I might see the crawlers. Oh my gosh. This is insane. It's getting more insane by the minute. And there's more severe storms to my west. We're about to be seeing lightning from the west as well. Holy smokes. Literally, I think we've counted around 100 something flashes. I'm not kidding. I am not kidding. We counted over 100 possibly. This is incredible. You know what? I might try to get a better POV on this maybe. Let me try over here. Oh my god, this is incredible. I low-key have such a temptation to check the radar right now, but I don't want to. I don't want to pause any beautiful lightning strikes that we get. Holy smokes. It's like constant. Severe thunderstorm warning for Linden. Oh my god. What the hell? I genuinely want to check. I'm gonna check. But wow, this is impressive. This is extremely impressive. Getting out of this. It's more than just 5 flashes on the radar, man. Like, dude, this is like extremely potent. Oh my gosh. You can just see how much lightning is being produced by this thing. Holy crap, it's not stopping. Oh my god, we saw a lightning strike right there. We saw that. I saw that. That was some kind of lightning strike there. Oh, another one. Oh my gosh, dude. Wow. I am impressed. I'm so impressed right now. This is nuts. Oh my god, another crawler. Oh, no way. You've got to be kidding me. All of a sudden from a crappy event to this? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Dude. Like, I'm not even using my tripod right now, but what the heck? Oh my god, another CG. Yo! No way. Look at the lightning. Look, come here, look. You have to come here, look. Oh my gosh, dude, like, okay. Hundreds of lightning flashes, if not like even more than that. This is like impressive stuff. Really. I hear the thunder though. It's getting closer. It's getting damn closer. I hear a bit of that thunder. Let's see if we get another sick lightning strike. Let's see. This is insane, dude. This is insane. It's not stopping. So freaking impressive. This is way better than nothing, dude. Even though it's distant, I mean, come on, dude. Man, if we would see a CG right now, this would be a perfect time. Literally would be such a perfect time. Holy smokes. I'm low-key seeing lightning to my west as well. I'm gonna check on that.